Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn some phrasal verbs with the word get. Get over. Get over means to forget or feel better after someone or something has made you unhappy or very surprised. Synonyms for get over include survive, forget, and finish. For example, it will take him a long time to get over the loss of his wife. Get along. Get along means to have a harmonious or friendly relationship with someone. Synonyms for get along include friendly and compatible. For example, she doesn't really get along with her sister. Get away. Get away means to escape from a place, situation, or person when it's difficult to stay. Synonyms for get away include escape, leave, and run away. For example, he needed to get away from all the noise. Get around. Get around means to travel or move a lot from place to place. Synonyms for get around include go around, move around, and pass around. For example, it's difficult for him to get around because he has a broken leg. Get across. Get across means to be able to communicate an idea clearly. Synonyms for get across include convey and communicate an idea. For example, the teacher couldn't get his point across to his students. Get back. Get back means to return to where one came from. Synonyms for get back include return and revert. For example, his lunch break was over and he had to get back to work. Get in. Get in means to go into a place. Synonyms for get in include gain access to and enter. For example, she couldn't get in because she had lost the key. Get down. Get down means to come or bring something down. Synonyms for get down include descend, come down, or bring down. For example, she told the boy to get down immediately. Get off. Get off means to leave a means of transport, such as a bus or plane. Synonyms for get off include disembark and leave. For example, they get off the bus in London. Get on. Get on means to board or mount something, such as a plane or horse. Synonyms for get on include board and mount. For example, it's time to get on the plane. Get rid of. Get rid of means to remove something or someone. Synonyms for get rid of include dispose, shake off, and remove. For example, she wants to get rid of her old sofa. Very good work! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.